welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa, and in today's video, it's gonna be a clean with me video. Now, a disclaimer, I don't always clean my kitchen this way every single day. No, I work full time, I got kids, so it's just not practical. But once in a while, I'll do get into it and really give it a good clean. And also, I do have cleaners that come in to clean the house like all over once a month. Okay, so but I always like to do my own cleaning as well in between. So yeah, just a few disclaimers out of the way so that we don't think that, okay, I do this every day, I'm this superwoman. I am not a superwoman. I get tired, I'm human. So yeah, with that out of the way, I just start off with clearing the kitchen out. Now, also my kitchen, to some of you, it might not look, all over the place, but I hardly have too much stuff out on my kitchen because I constantly clean up after myself and the kids. And whenever they eat and stuff, my husband or myself will clean up. So yeah, we don't always have clutter going on. I just cannot function like that. But yeah, this is probably the most clutter it will get. So I'll start off by emptying my dishwasher and, then doing the dishes and all of that. I don't want to do too much talking in this video. I want it to be calm and relaxing. So I'm going to add a lot of music. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that, 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 we got that love, we got that, we got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love.
So as you can see, I have moved on to the stove, and like I've mentioned in my previous videos, this is the first time I'm having this kind of stove. This is a gas stove. I was used to an electric stove. So first of all, I take out all the stuff on the top, and this is my favorite Dollar Tree cleaner. This LA's Totally Awesome, and I also like to use the spick and span. So yeah, the LA Totally Awesome, I buy the big bottle as well, and then I just use the like a refill. And y'all, this is the best degreaser. It can take out tough stains on almost any surface. I swear by it. I love it so much. So yeah, it will take out a lot of those greasy stuff on my stove. So I just like to go in with a paper towel and just clean as I go. I already took off all the food debris that was on it. So yeah, keep on watching.
We got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, we got that, we got that. that young love, that young love. We got that young love, that young love. We got that young love, that young love. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight?
Next, I'm gonna move on to my sink and give it some TLC. I would clean my sink usually every day because we do dishes every single day. So I just rinse off everything that was just sitting out there. And this is a good time to change my sponge. I've been using it for over a month, and as you can see, yeah, it needs to be changed. So change your sponges constantly. That is a hub for bacteria. Change your sponges constantly. No shade, but please change that sponge, okay?
Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise.
So in my kitchen tour video that I uploaded on my cooking channel, I shared with you guys this masterpiece right here, this rolling rack. I love it so much. It's a dry up rack, okay? But you can roll it up and put it away. So convenient and so sturdy. I will leave the link in the description box below. So going again with my LA Totally Awesome, and this right here is my sink cleaner. I only use this GoDaddy scrub for my sink. So it's important to not use your dish sponges to clean inside your sink. So this is what I use, and once I'm done and it's dry, I put it back under the sink where it stays till I'm ready to clean my sink again. So yeah, just thought I would leave that out there. So please check the description box below. I would link a few items that I think you guys might be interested in.
Again, a mental picture in my mind, just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise.
So of course the last thing will be the floors. I have cleaned the island as you have seen already and put my stuff back on it. So now I'm using this is a Shark Rocket cordless vacuum cleaner. Y'all, I use this a minimum of 3 times a day because when my kids eat, you would think that a tornado just went through this kitchen. It is crazy. Let me know if your kids do the same. I mean, I know they're toddlers. One is like 5 and one is 3, almost 4. But man, it's like they got holes in their mouth. Everything is just on the floor. So yeah, this vacuum has come in really, really handy. So I always leave it plugged in to charge. And the battery life, it says about 40 minutes. And honestly, it has only died on me once. And that's because I used it to clean the entire main floor, the top floor, and also went down to the basement before it died. So yeah, I really love it. I will try to link it in the description box below. I got it from Kohl's, and man, it's so handy. And as you can see, it has the light, so you can change the setting for hard floors or carpet. So yeah, I really, really love it. And next, we're gonna go ahead and mop. This mop right here, I love it. It's a Bissell mop. And this is the favorite product that I like to use for my floors. It is from the brand Method. I get it from Target. Really good. I just add water to it because it has the mark for you to put the water and then whatever formula you're using. That's what I use. And sometimes I do drop a little bit of Fabuloso to just give it that good smell. Oh, I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'll use this mop, and I would say the only downside is that you would have to wash the cloth that it comes with, because I mean, if you constantly keep using it without washing it, you might as well not mop your floors. It might look shiny, but man, you are just transferring dirt and bacteria all over. So yeah, I wish I had like, you know how you have the disposable mops with the Swiffer. That's why I like my Swiffer. So I use my Swiffer for my bathrooms because that's one space that I cannot be transferring all over the place. So I use my Swiffers for my bathroom. That way, once I'm done, it goes straight to the trash. So yeah, but apart from that, I wash it with bleach to keep it nice and sanitized, and it comes in 2 sets, so at least when one is dirty, I have one that's clean. So yeah, I like to go through my entire house with this, but today we're just doing a kitchen clean with me. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. And of course, we've come to the end. And what's a good cleaning video or cleaning in general without lighting a good candle? So I'm lighting my lemon pound cake candle from Bath and Body Works, and it just sets the mood. I love candles so much. So this video was filmed right before I filmed my fall decorate with me for my kitchen. So go ahead and watch that video next. I will leave it in the description box. As you can see, it's squeaky clean, and it just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.